Today we're in the infinite IKEA with Cyber. This game is called wait, what is it called?
308.
Yeah, 3008.
Windows supposed to be X. Where are you, Hebrew? It is fun.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay here where I am so that you can find me.
Yeah, I need to find you. We need to be in this together.
I probably should have the mic closer to you so that you can talk.
Yeah. Ooh, meatballs. I think there's some food. Could you whistle again?
I can whistle. There. Boy, you've been going the wrong way all this time. Yeah, you're really close.
Hello, Skelly Bone.
Whoa,
Welcome back,
Yeah.
Skelly Bone.
that's,
Should we have your face or not?
it's kind of sad they're not gonna be able to see my avatar today because this is a first-person horror game.
But I can see you as a skeleton.
We can build a shelf base over here. Just put this on a shelf. Over here. That means the monsters are coming out now.
We need to stay together. I see you now. We need to stay together.
Put a waypoint of right here. In case
How does the waypoint?
you don't remember.
No. Well, you can put yourself a waypoint.
Yeah, but you can see your waypoint, so
I'm gonna take some energy drink. Don't drink energy drink in real life, but this game is good.
yeah, but that was not an energy drink, that was water.
Ah, but it still gave me energy.
Oh.
Ooh, I realized.
Oh. Wait, where did you go?
Here, there ain't a light. Come here. Follow my name tag.
Yeah.
I can.
Yeah, by the way, Cyber's name tag is Games Is. Yeah, look at that. We need this in our base.
This and we should use this. It's wide and good. I see you from the light.
Hmm.
The light.
Wait, I don't want to... There. There, that's right. Turning way.
Rotate.
Okay.
How do I rotate it the other way?
You just press the buttons at the side.
Oh. Oops.
Bro, what's this? Oh, a play carpet.
Oops. It's a play carpet.
We should probably not decorate it yet.
But I'm gonna use the play carpet as a wall.
I just threw that bathtub even though I have like 0 strength in real life.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I don't think in real life it would be that easy to throw an entire bathtub.
Look,
Yeah.
it's not free roof. We just need the walls. We just need the walls, and then we just need the walls and the doors, and then we're pretty much finished. That's what I also got to do.
Mm.
This is a good place to build, and we're a beautiful light. And we should also get a bathtub so we can both get some supplies. Wait, can we use the same bathtub? If I put items in the bathtub, can you take the items from the bathtub?
Wait, what? What did you say?
If I put items in the bathtub of my items, can you take the items from the bathtub?
Yeah, I can.
That's good. So then we can have one place, a bathtub, where we put all the items.
It's not always good because that allows for griefing, which is basically people stealing your bases or materials to make your bases, or destroying or looting out of your bathtubs.
Yeah.
For the record, I have played this before, so I am a pretty pro.
But I only have played this once.
Yeah, we practiced a little before this video.
Yeah, one time played. Play carpet. Good for protection, it's a lot. Nice and big.
Yeah.
Big, so you can easily make. I think I know when the new play carpet from. And we got light.
I just glitched out the play carpet. Okay, let's not try to glitch that again. Let's just wait here.
I'm gonna take.
How long is this gonna take?
Tonight's about 5 minutes.
Well, yeah, of course, but it feels like forever.
I can grab more play carpet. I can grab another play carpet.
It's Tuesday. The second day. The Tuesday.
I found the alternate smiley face.
Oh yeah, let me see.
Use the play carpet or something to obstruct it a little. But I'm gonna make I'm gonna make a photo of this wall. I'm gonna take this.
Okay, we can make like a thin door. Now we need another pallet so that we can get up easily, like a ramp. This is a good position for this base because there's not a lot of people around it, so there's a lot of pallets. go now. Is it too wide? Don't worry, I'll fix it. About here is where the base ends, so don't worry. There. Yeah, you're right. I did make this one. Yeah, wide. Yeah, that's what I. Now let's.
Figuring out how to get this right.
There, that should be good. So you can fit. Yeah, there. I feel like these blades they don't fit in. Yeah, but let's just use pallets for everything.
Trying to get this lamp the right way.
I wonder just how fast we can make this base. It's only been a day. But of course, most time years was spent trying to find each other.
I'm gonna put the light right here. I couldn't figure out how to get it right, so I just put it right here. Now we need to get some stuff on food supplies.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take and put some food supplies. Oops, I consumed the food. I was going to put in the back. But now we need to find food. We got lighting. We got storage.
Yeah, but we have nothing to put in the storage.
Yeah, that's the problem. Have some stuff. No, it's not stuff, but it's kind of. We have to find food now.
Yeah. While you go after food, I'm gonna start decorating this base.
Yeah. I'm gonna search. Can I take this? Sure I can. I found a perfect decoration. Dang it, it's the same direction.
Yeah, you can have like a bean bag.
Yeah, but I need to figure out how to get it the right way.
I had a plan to make it nice and cozy. Like if you have a lamp right here, and then you have. Why did you put this like that?
I don't know. I couldn't get it the right way.
Yeah.
Should I take the fire? Oh no, I can't take the fireplace. Can I take? Nice and toasty in the fire. I found food. I found food. I found food.
Yeah. Wait, Wait, where are you right now?
I'm getting food.
Yeah.
I got 5 pizza slices and
there are you. There's also rock painting here. We need the rock painting. All hail the mighty rock painting.
Yes, weird. No.
Oh poop.
I need to get to the base quickly. Now we need to just stay in the base.
There, now we got the rock painting.
Beautiful rock painting. Light there, light here, rock painting to rock painting to keep the rock painting to keep our company and to motivate us.
Yeah.
That's the motivator.
But I got a bean bag.
I'm gonna put the food supplies in here.
It's kind of big. You know what? Let's take a sofa here instead. If we don't find that, we can take it. But
oh dang it! The same direction. How does it do this? Oh, this could make it abstract.
are you?
Why does it constantly do this? Well,
I
at
don't know.
least it could make it slightly abstract.
Place it down and then I'll fix it.
Rock painting motivates us and keeps us our company.
If it starts picking up random things, then just roll with it and just place it down and tell to me I can fix it.
Oh well, let's take the smiley face. The light. Wait, it can change color.
This is the ultimate smiley face light.
Yeah. I got the perfect video.
So I'm starting to go a little far. I'm looking for a sofa chair. Well, I can come back. I found a TV that I want.
It's not a fake TV. I can't interact with it. Yeah, now we got the OGT right here. Put the TV around. Like we need to have the light. We need to move the light over here and put the TV right here. Oh here.
Now we're gonna.
The rock painting occupies that area. We can't put it here.
Yeah.
Now that.
Just continue turning it on and off until we get a cool picture. You can
do it. You can do that.
Yeah.
Could you also move the light over here?
Yes.
Ow.
Now we just need a sofa chair and then I'd say the space is complete.
Yeah.
How was it actually already been 20 minutes?
Well, at least our base is finished.
Well, yeah.
That's so motivating. Our base is finished. Now we got a little bit of food.
Then afterwards we can take a view at the base.
We have some fish back here. You can put your own waypoint here.
Yeah, I didn't place a waypoint.
Yeah. How do you place your waypoint?
I found a Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, the shelf base is complete and have a complete roof and just need some walls and decoration. Thank you, Rock. That's really bright.
I have a low battery percentage right now.
And is it a foggy day?
Uh, Nah, there's music, meaning it's a normal day. Do we have a table? Because I found this, We just can't place it here for now. We'll find a table.
I'm gonna just go up to you. You should always be
I don't really want to take these tables because they're too big. This is a perfect. We're almost done, so technically we don't really need. This is actually a pretty big table. Oh, good. Yeah, just grab as many as you can. I think all we need is now a
inventory for us to come back.
yeah. Get what? Did you put a waypoint? Me neither. Okay. Well, I'd say this place is done. I see someone else in the distance. Yeah. So this video is getting pretty long, and we're finished with the race. So, let's just call it a wrap here.
We don't have any wrap.
Not a rap concert. So, of course, so goodbye.